Vande Mataram friends. Today we are going to learn another new topic and the name of the topic is adverb clause of purpose. Now before we start the topic we have to understand that what is the purpose, what is the intention of that. So there are two type of sentences are given here. The first one is principal clause and the second one is subordinate clause. So before we start the lesson, first of all see that there are three kind of sentences are there: simple sentence, complex sentence and compound sentence. In simple sentence 2 plus V1 is include, in order 2 plus V1 is include, and with a V2 plus verb plus ing is there. In complex sentence as a conjunction we can use that, another so that, and in order that. We can use three of the conjunction with one another, okay, and the last one that is compound sentence. In compound sentence we use and. Okay dear friends, now the purpose, that means it shows intention. Whatever we do we have some intention and there is something purpose that we try to show that. For example, I teach you English grammar. So what is the intention of teaching English grammar? I teach you English grammar. So what is the purpose? So the main purpose is that you can understand the topic very well. So my intention is to teach English grammar and purpose is you can understand very well. The first sentence is about the intention. It shows the intention and another shows purpose. First of all, if the first sentence, if the principal clause is about present tense, so we have to use present tense as a subordinate clause. Yeah, you can say that modal auxiliaries. Modal auxiliaries in present tense, that can, will, should, etc. And suppose the past tense is given here, so we have to use past tense, yeah, modal auxiliaries, that means could, might, work, etc. So this tense is either present or past. This sentence are about principal clause and another sentences are subordinate clause. Okay. Another example is that the beggar begs money from the people. So why the beggar begs money from the people? What is the intention of is that? What is the purpose? So the first intention is the beggar begs money. So what is the purpose? So that he can eat something. Another is that, another example, the soldiers perform their duty on the border. So what is the purpose? So that we can live at home happily. So the first sentence shows intention and another sentence shows purpose. Okay. So here first of all we try to learn present tense. If principal clause is about present tense, then we have to use subordinate clause as a present tense. The first sentence is here: Sunil goes to America, he can earn money. So dear friend, goes means present tense is used here and that is the intention. Sunil goes to America, that is intention. And what the purpose behind it? He can earn money. So the first sentence is about present tense. So we have to use present tense using modal auxiliaries. So see that goes. So here can plus V1, he can earn money. Now I am trying to show you that how can we make compound sentence, complex sentence and simple sentence. Another thing is that I am trying to show you using and, using that, so that, in order that, and using to plus V1 in order to plus V1, or with a V2 plus verb plus ing. It may be possible that in exam will be asked use compound sentence, use and. Okay, so when it may be asked to use compound sentence, then it is necessary to remember and. So first of all, Sunil goes to America, he can earn money. So first of all, we use compound sentence. So which conjunction is used in compound sentence? And. So Sunil goes to America, remove full point and add here and can earn money. Dear friends, I remove pronoun he. Why? Because I use here conjunction and. So Sunil goes to America and can earn money. Another thing is that suppose I use to, that simple sentence, to. So Sunil goes to America to earn money. So I remove and. Okay. Now in order to. So first of all, you have to remember that after to, that V1 comes. After in order to, use V1. So Sunil goes to America in order to earn money. Okay. Both the sentences are same. Sunil goes to America to earn money. Sunil goes to America in order to earn money. And suppose we use here with a view to. So Sunil goes to America with a view to earning money. So dear friend, you can see that with a view to plus verb plus ing. When I use here with a view to, it is necessary, it is compulsory to use verb plus ing. So what is verb here? On. So you add ing, the with a view to earning money. Okay. Now suppose I use here that. So Sunil goes to America that he can earn money. Here present tense is given, that is why use can. Next, Sunil goes to America in order that he can earn money. Both the structures are same. Sunil goes to America so that he can earn money. So in complex sentence, that, in order that and show that. This is the same structure use here. So not to worry about that. The same structure is given of that, in order that and so that. Okay. So I hope that you understand the topic very clearly. Once again we revise it. First of all, present tense is given and suppose you ask use and. So we can make the sentence Sunil goes to America and can earn money. Sunil goes to America to earn money. And Sunil goes to America in order to earn money. To and in order to, we use here V1. And suppose when we are going to use with a view to, at that time verb plus ing is compulsory. And after that, that, in order that and so that, the same structure is given. So all these sentences are about using present tense. Okay. Now see the past tense. Okay. Present tense is given here. Now what about the past tense? Suppose the past tense is the first sentence is about past tense. So it is necessary to use past tense. The example, I work hard. So that is intention. So what is the purpose of it? I could get the medal. So work hard, that is past tense. So I use here modal auxiliaries could, but after could we use V1. You cannot say that I could got the medal. Mind well. So I work hard, I could get the medal. Now I use and. So I work hard and I could get the medal. Now we try to use to. So I work hard to get the medal. That is simple sentence. And another simple sentence is in order to. So I work hard in order to get the medal. Please keep in mind that after modal auxiliaries use V1 get, to plus V1 get, in order to plus V1 get. Another, suppose I use with a view to, I work hard with a view to getting the medal. That is simple sentence. After with a view to, we use verb plus ing. So what is the ing form of get? That is getting. And now I use here that, so that, and in order that. I work hard, that is past tense, that I could get the medal. I work hard so that I could get the medal. I work hard in order that I could get the medal. So dear friends, that, so that, and in order that, after that, so that, and in order that, it is necessary to use modal auxiliaries, but after modal auxiliaries we use V1. And please remember that we can use instead of anyone that's so that and in order that. Okay, so I hope that you understood very well. The first example is about given simple present tense and another is about past tense. Now once again we are going to exercise some of the sentences. Then I give you some of the sentences to make simple sentence, complex sentence and compound sentence. So dear friend, we try to show another more example. See that here I have written use and to, in order to, with a view to, that, so that and in order that. The first example is I walk fast, I may reach the station. So I walk fast, that is the intention. And what is the purpose? I may reach the station. So first of all I use here and. So I walk fast and may reach the station. Okay. Now the second one. Now I use to. So I walk fast to. I modal auxiliaries. We remove that. I walk fast to reach the station. So here you can see that 2 plus V1. Now I use in order to. So I walk fast in order to reach, in order to reach I use with a view to. So try to get the point that when we use with a view to, after with a view to we use verb plus ing. So I walk fast with a view to reach, then we use reaching, with a view to reaching the station. Okay, now I use that. So when we use that, so first of all we try to note it. The first sentence is about present tense. So after that we use present tense. I walk fast. I walk fast that I may reach the station. Okay, I use here may because simple present is given. Now I use so that. I walk fast so that I may reach the station. And the last one in order that. So I walk fast in order that I may reach the station. Did you get my point? Now, one more example. He bought the books. He improved English language. So here, past tense is used. So first of all, we use and. So he bought the books and improved English language. Okay, now I use to. So first of all I use write intention. I bought the book. He bought the books. He bought the books. That is the intention. The purpose is to. So you remove he. He bought the books to improve, not improved, English language. Now I use in order to. The same thing. I bought the books in order to improve English language. So you can see that 2 plus V1 in order to plus V1. Now I use with a view. So he bought the books. He bought the books with a view to. What is the ing form of improve? Okay, dear friends, when you use with a view to write verb plus ing. Now I use that and show that. He bought the books so that in order that, here you can write that. You can use so that either in order that or that. He could improve English language. So when we use modal auxiliary past, at that time we use main verb. Okay, understood? Now I give you exercise and you have to make first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven sentences of one sentence. Okay. So dear friends, here 10 sentences are given as exercise. So all these sentences you have to use and to, in order to, with a view to, that, so that and in order that. This exercise you write it down in your notebook, and suppose you have a confusion about that, then you can call me. Thank you.